to the channel. Redbox Entertainment is up 61% today and trading at $4.90. On Friday, Redbox Entertainment closed at $3.05. Today, the stock opened at $3.09, which was barely a bit higher than what it closed on Friday. And in the course of trading today, the stock has gone as high as $5.05. Just a reminder, the 52-week range for Redbox Entertainment is $1.61 all the way up to $27. Today's volume, 17 million shares have exchanged hands just within the past 30 minutes or so, and the average volume would be about 21 million throughout a typical trading day. The market capitalization for Redbox Entertainment now sits at $224.9 million US dollars. So I hope you did not write off Redbox Entertainment as dead. If you look at the 5-day graph, you can see how the stock slowly eroded its value until on the opening bell on Friday it was right at about $2.89. If we go to the monthly, however, the stock has lost about more than half of its value. So we are way down there from where we were a month ago. However, just bear in mind that for somebody who got into this stock on Thursday, Friday last week, they would have made out handsomely. Right now, the stock is trading at about 53% up for the day, and the value is at $4.71. So I just thought I should share this with you, give you guys the heads up that Redbox Entertainment seems to be running today. I will catch you guys on the next video. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button on your way out. That way we can keep the momentum and keep the channel growing. Bye for now. Catch you on the next one.